In this guide, I'm going to show you how to always show or hide the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. The bookmarks bar can be a convenient way to access your favorite websites quickly. However, if you don't use it or you prefer more screen space, you might want to hide it. Go ahead and tap on the three dots in the top right corner in your Chrome. From the menu that appears, you need to select Settings from the bottom. Now on the left-hand side, click on Appearance, which is between Performance and the Search Engine option. Scroll down and find the option Show Bookmarks Bar. Make sure that the toggle is on if you want it to appear in your browser. If you do not want it to be visible, go ahead and toggle this option off and it will no longer be available in the top. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.